Hello everyone and welcome back to Tegunity Academy. Today's video is a must watch for every direct seller because in this video you will get to know about the 6 major differences between the direct selling and pyramid scheme. Well, we are bringing every video in both Hindi and English languages so that more and more people can take the right education. So if you wanted to watch this video in Hindi language, then you have two options. First, go to the YouTube search bar and can search for Tegunity.com, which is our official YouTube channel. And on Tegunity.com YouTube channel, you will see all the videos of network marketing in the Hindi language. And the second option is quite simple, that in the description box of this video, you will find a link to the Hindi version of this video. So you can also follow the link to see the Hindi version of this video. So in this video, whatever we are going to tell you through all that things, you will be able to find out the difference between direct selling and pyramid scheme. And so you can also protect yourself and others while sharing this video. So we will first know about the direct selling companies, how a legal direct selling company works in the market, and what facilities it gives to its direct sellers. So the number one is that they provide information. Direct selling companies provide accurate information about their products and services to their distributors and sellers so that their direct sellers can promote their company products wisely. Second point is that they provide starter kit. Every direct selling company also provides a starter kit to their distributors at very reasonable prices so that when the distributor goes out in the field, he or she should have all the business tools available with them, such as catalog, order forms, joining forms, etc. Now come to the third point, that is usable products and services. Direct selling companies provide products and services that are useful for the end users, that is customers, at a very valuable price and not dealing with the products which are used once in a while. And fourth point is the buyback policy. I think everyone should know about this, that every direct selling company also offers a buyback policy of products and services to its new customers, such as 30 days money back guarantee. If the products are not suitable for the users, then they can give them back to the company. You can also return that, but you have to read about the buyback policies of the company on the joining form when you are going to get associated with any of the direct selling company. Now comes to the fifth point, that is business volume. This is quite common and maybe you already knew about this one. Every direct selling company announces some few point volumes on each of its products and services which you get when the products are sold, whether you sold them by yourself or your team members sold them for you. The payouts will be calculated on the basis of these point volumes only. Now come to the last sixth point, that is time duration. Direct selling companies does not force anyone to join by giving any greed. Like if you joined today, you will get these many benefits and you will build such a big team, etc. The opportunity which is for you today will remain the same tomorrow also. It just depends on you when you make a decision to join anyone. So this was all about the direct selling companies. Now we'll look over the pyramid schemes. Pyramid scheme means to get money invested by different people in different ways. Right, so now let's dive deep into this scheme topic. And the point number one is fake promises. People often make others to join the pyramid schemes by saying that your money will be doubled in just the next 3 to 4 months. And if you introduce others also, then you will also have an additional profit for that. But it is completely wrong to associate someone with yourself with such a greed, and you should not get into such greeds also, because here you are not only doing wrong with yourself but you are also harming others also. And if someone makes such promises to you, then he is lying to you, because direct selling is not a machine to double your money. It is completely a business of persistence. Now come to the second point, that is business of recruiting. These are the biggest lies of the pyramid schemes. The companies join the people by taking the name of direct selling companies, and they say that your business belongs to the people. The bigger your team is, the bigger your income will be. And by doing so, they collect large funds and close the companies in no time, due to which they infamous direct selling companies. Now come to the third point, that is non-working income. Nowadays, this has become a trend and many people join themselves with a wrong company by greed and also harming themselves and other people also. And if any company tells you that you have to invest your money and there is no product to sell nor any services, that is not a direct selling company at all, and you have to understand this, because a direct selling company pays the payout when the business volume is generated, and business volumes are generated by selling the products and services only. Now, fourth point is big investment. In the pyramid schemes, you can also be encouraged to invest big amounts by saying that you do not need to make any team then. Neither you have to sell any of the products to someone, and you will get easy money every week. With this, they will also not give you any refund policies for your money. So if anyone called you to join with them in any direct selling company by saying so, then you should keep a proper distance from them, because no direct selling company gets investment and nor investment returns. Now come to the fifth point, that is time duration. As we just discussed, whenever you came across any of the money investment schemes, they won't give you enough time period to invest your money, and usually they said that if you invest late, then you will come under such and such losses and someone else will get disposed. So make it hurry and invest the money now so that you can get the maximum returns on your investment. Here we suggest you that not to believe such sweet talks, because there is no direct selling company that is focused on first come first serve concept. So be cautious about it. Now come to the last sixth point, that is people only faces the losses in the end. You must have found many people who would say that they have invested their money in a company and the company has run away or gone bankrupt, and this has happened to many people. Pyramid schemes are the short time based schemes. It takes money from the people and gives it back to the people, due to which the companies came under some debts, and after a long time they won't have enough money to give their people. And in such situations, the people who have joined recently just before 3 or 4 months gets into the big troubles. And even today people take advantages and misguide others in the name of direct selling. One thing must be understood from all these things, that direct selling companies provide you sustainable income which helps you in your entire life, while pyramid schemes lure you for short-term benefits. Look, tempting someone for something is exactly wrong, and being greedy and looking for personal benefits is the entirely wrong thing. So these are some differences between direct selling and pyramid schemes. Do tell us if you know some other differences other than these 6 major differences by commenting us in the comment section below. So in the end, we have a suggestion for you that if you want, then you can join us on our social media handles, whatever you use, because there you will get some new updates regularly, and all links of our social media handles are available in the description box of this video. And if you really have some questions that are still unanswered, then you can ask us by commenting below in the comment box. And with this, if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do share it with everyone, and especially with those people with whom you wanted to move forward in your direct selling business. Soon we'll meet you again with a new topic, so subscribe to the channel and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. So this is Divya from Tegunity Academy. See you soon in a very new episode. Till then, goodbye, take care, Jai Hind.